Good morning, Draper Patriots. We're glad you're here with us this morning. We're going to celebrate virtually and hold our last Patriot Prize Assembly of the school year with you on camera. We have a lot of celebrations and a lot of people to recognize today. So let's get started with the awards.
All right, so now let's do the 5th grade ELA awards. In Miss Knott's class, we have Ribka Marutis, Cassidy Surratt, Jonas Miller, Ty Went, Carly Trumbley, Belinda Charez, Gavin Pratt, and Oliver Carell. In Miss Perkins' class, we have Deontay Bassinger, Drayden Franco, Alan Mejia, and Luis Puente. In Miss Gamble's class, we have Natalia Ruiz, Jasmine Singh, Sloan Gregg, AJ Lackey, Aksa Pilani, Jack Schaefer, Michelle Ruto, and Logan Bowe. In Mr. Walton's class, we have Jakob Yaka, Ella Chisholm, Rebel Derige, Tess Daughtery, Mohammed Salem, Ashton Austin, Ephraim Luca, and Tony Von May. In Miss Kessel's class, we have Adil Abarulaham, Sammy Salem, Gabe Phillips, and Eva Doria. In Miss Patterson's class, we have Valerie Picasso, Natalie Tran, Victoria Humphreys, Austin Lamb, Chase Pate, William Whip, and Haran Berkey. In Miss Fu's class, we have Dylan Slagle. In Miss Lopez's class, we have Edmund Fuentes, Angel Santavanez, Mateo Avila, Miles Rice, Dylan Bishal, Diego Marino Ordonos, Pedro Medina, Gabriela Turcos, and in Miss Franklin's class, we have Yosef Kazi. And that's all for our 5th grade ELA.
All right, I'm Mr. Gergen, and I'm here with the 5th grade Social Studies Awards. So for Miss Burge's class, we have Tanner Baker, Caroline Boone, Kevin Wynn, Avi Jaswal, Lucas Sager, Christian Arnold, Arav Barnwall, and Kylie Zhang. For Mr. Meyer's class, we have Christian Fox, Lakin Gillis, Anthony Gonzalez, Kobe Ingram, Gracie Knowles Rodriguez, Deandra Mensa, Omar Musa, and Kingston Wright. For Miss Brown's class, we have Shamia Johnson, Benjamin Larby Agbo, Madeline Aldrich, Nam Nguyen, Macias Mulagate, Juan Velasquez, Madison McMinney, and Walter Talbot. For my class, we have Alyssa Boyd, Michaela Kaur, Kevin John, Noah Sanders, Elijah Groder, Mario Barber, Haley Wolf, and Evan Patel. For Miss Cassiano's class, we have Jack Robinette, Luke Marshall, Fatima Cruz Molina, Eric Arroyo, Natalie Penaloza, Emmanuel Reyes, Eric Schuster, Fernando Pina, and from Miss Franklin's class, we have Phi Nguyen. Congratulations on your Social Studies Award.
For the Math Awards from Miss Carlisle, Yosef Derehi, Malk Assad, Brandon Wallace, Nancy Yao, Serenity Sanchez, Nikhil Verma. From Mr. Allen's class, Sion Shamelis, Brenner Kottmeyer, Kirsten Pham, Camden Miller, Clayton Solis, Emma Sandor, Ashton Austin, and Nate Lombardo. From Ms. Cabanis' class, Hermela Tomrat, Sami Khan, Sarah Gatashi, Lordy Natenda, Austin Bach, Audrey Pingleton, Meher Khan, and Daria Fatsala. From Ms. Campbell's class, Abdullah Abid and Ava Nabi. From my class, Camila De Valle Rosa, Samuel Bentley, Carson Neighbors, Aubrey DeGreat, Chloe Haley, Lauren McElroy, Min Huynh, and Audrey Adams. From Mrs. Murray's class, Beth Wiles, Basavori Nunda, Madeline Taylor, Jonah Brill. From Ms. Calderon's class, Rosa Angelica Becerra, Christian Martinez, Mateo Avila, Lilia Anguiano, Catherine Flores, Diego Moreno Ordonez, Evelyn Villa, Carlos Roman Bocanegra. And from Ms. Franklin's class, Madison Murray. Woo! Yay!
Hi, I'm Mrs. Bush. These are the 5th grade science awards. In Miss Witt's class, I have Haley Kwanzaa, Aisha Bakrani, Antonio Soriano, Ellie Langland, Annabelle Aldrich, Stacy Holt, Julian Hinosa, Jaden Smith. In Miss Stout's class, I have Jordan Myers, Jackson Ogle, Skylar Harvey, Maylee Rodriguez, Clayton Solis, Eleni Medina, Fook Nguyen, Shamia Johnson. In Miss Green's class, I have Chase Grandy, Chelsea Lamore, Nathan Wandwosen, Juliana Howe, Gary Smith, Alyssa Lampierre, Braylon Terry, and Jesse Johnson. In Miss Emerson's class, I have Lilia Anguino, Miles Rice, Kyle Mason, Uretzi Gayton, Javier Carrasco, Ansley Hillen, Joseph Garcia, and Kalana Bui. In Miss Bush's class, I have Habiba Abdulhadi, Isabella Molina, Tristan Drennan, Isabella Orneas, Ananias Azrat, Aaron Dominguez, Fiona Henson, and Chase Hensley. In Miss Franklin's class, I have Ayush Rana. In Mr. Jury's class, we have Chloe Galing and Musa Hassan. Those are the 5th grade science awards. Congratulations, everyone.
Hi, I'm Mr. Groder, and I'm going to be announcing today's 5th grade specials awards. From Ms. Higa's class, Ingrid Morales, Natalie Penaloza, Khatija Mohammed, and Lola Myers. From Ms. Dennis's class, Levi Smith, Madeline Taylor, Nandana Shankar, and Jacob Zigon. From Miss Tucker's class, Duihin Vu, Vridi Diora, Christian Fernandez, and Reagan McCall. From Miss Hunter's class, Isabel Wiles, Megan Fan, Brianna Panetta, Gwyneth Poblet, Jaden Smith. From Coach Kraft's class, Adore Deng, Scott Hollinger, Adam Laziz, Wade Williams, Joel Solomon, Colby Schlensker. From Miss Packabush, Giselle Mesa, and Aisha Bakrani. And finally, from Miss Stampley's class, we have Emily Wynn and Dina Nagusu. Great job, everybody. Congratulations, fifth graders.
We are going to celebrate the Patriot Pride Award for the Wiley Way, which is gratitude and celebration. From Ms. Kessel's class, we would like to recognize Eliza Stafford. From Ms. Brown's class, Nandana Shankar. From Ms. Lopez's class, Christopher Varela and Paloma Smith. From Ms. Gamble's class, Malachi Berry and Justin Carpenter. From Ms. Burgess' class, Prisha Patel and Marcus Kelton. From Mr. Jury's class, Hermela Tamarat. From Ms. Cassiano's class, Brady Walton and Emmanuel Reyes. From Ms. Cook's class, Isabella Molina and Sadant Samar. From Ms. Murray's class, Jana Philippos and Fiona Henson. From Mr. Allen's class, Claire Ebbets and Chetika Nowedeki. From Mr. Walton's class, Elizabeth Vogel and Chesley Lee. From Ms. Patterson's class, Claire Monroe and Jayla Richardson. From Mr. Myers' class, Ella Knaus and Sophia Serda. From Ms. Calderon's class, Fatima Cruz. From Ms. Witt's class, Lauren Bolt and Kathy Wynn. From Ms. Bush's class, Jan Jimenez Lopez and Mai Huang Hin. From Ms. Campbell's class, Hector Alfaro. From Ms. Packabush's class, Horacio Nunez and Phuc Nguyen. From Ms. Stampley's class, Trong Vu and Benjamin Ta. And from Mrs. Stout's class, Adeline Tran and Jonathan Casa. Good job, guys. Congratulations. This morning, students, we'd like to recognize you for perfect attendance. This learning term, all students will be recognized with a certificate for their online learning participation, hard work, and effort. Congratulations on a job well done.
At Draper, we celebrate students in many ways, and grades are one of those. If you earned A's and B's for this last learning term, please stand. We'd like to celebrate you. If you earned A's for the last learning term, please stand. We'd like to congratulate you.
Congratulations! Way to go!
This year, 60 students participated in Draper Future Problem Solving Program. They will receive certificates during the drive-through pickup time. If you were a member of this year's team, we want you to please stand at home so that you can be recognized. Okay, so for the first time, Draper participated in Community Problem Solvers. This team created the Garden of Reading in the recess area. For their hard work, this team was awarded the first place in the environmental division at the state level. Congratulations to the following students. Anya Yarborough. Draper Global Issues team competed on January 31st. 7 of our 12 teams were chosen to advance to the state bowl level of the competition as semifinalists. These 2020 Texas Future Problem Solvers competed at the first virtual state bowl on May 5th over the topic gamification, and they did a great job. We want to celebrate their achievement at this time. Competing at the state level as semifinalists are in 5th grade, Ann Bowie, Reagan McCall, Jana Philippos, and Brooke Diffenderfer. We would like to congratulate all of our future problem solvers at this time. Yay!
What's this? I finally rid this helplessness.
We are going to recognize our students from Draper Intermediate who participated in the Reflections competition this year. Eliandra Fawn, Melissa Gonzalez, Hannah Henshaw, Ella Canas, Mary Kate Ratcliffe, Megan Heller, and Vitha Camara, Amaya Coley, Addison Montgomery, and Sophia Curto. Sophia advanced to the state level in literature for Reflections for PTA. Congratulations to all these students for their award and their participation in the Reflections competition this year. We're so proud of you.
Every 9 weeks, Wiley ISD likes to recognize a Shining the Way winner. This 9 weeks, it is celebration and gratitude. And we had 4 nominees for this category in 5th grade. We had Aubrey DeGreat, Grant Fentress, Claire Monroe, and Ingrid Morales. Congratulations, guys, for showing the Wiley way.
Yay, way to go!
Each week, our teachers select one student to represent Draper as the Jimmy John Student of the Week. With online learning, some of our students have gone above and beyond to show dedication to their learning and growing. Congratulations to these 3 5th grade students: Kaylee Mayer, Ty Went, and Ricky Bocanegra. Good job, guys.
I've chosen my path. I've chosen my path.
All right, students, these are the awards for online learning excellence. These are students who were online every day, completing their assignments, continued their learning in an excellent way. Ms. Perkins would like to recognize Hector Alfaro, Carter Westfall, Miss Gamble, Caitlin Pascusi, Travis Ragsdale, Miss Kessel, Landon Blitz, Chase Kirby, Miss Patterson, Aiden DeRosset, and Jalen Hong, Miss Campbell, Valeria Barantos. Miss Cabanis would like to recognize Hermila Tamrat, Asher Casillas. Miss Stout recognizes Gavin Pratt and Madison Murray. Miss Bush recognizes Siddhant Samar and Landon Phillips. Miss Higa will recognize Matana Oho. Miss Burge would recognize Brandon Wallace and Tristan Yoder. Miss Stampley will recognize Dahara Padsala and Rokea Alethi. Miss Murray, Christian Osai, Prisha Patel. Miss Brown, Jasmine Singh, Jonah Brill. Mr. Walton, Johnny Forer, and Hansika Termasalati. Mr. Allen, Julia Hudgens, and Sergey Meduskavitsky. Coach Hunter, Lowry Baker, and Marin Cameron. Ms. Capadilla would like to recognize Ty Went and Marley Cavazos. Ms. Witt will recognize Kaylee Meyer, Chironikamal Verg. Ms. Lopez is recognizing Leonardo Bravo and Mary Kate Ratcliffe. Ms. Cook is recognizing Maureen Cameron and Nathan Wanwusen. Ms. Emerson will recognize Vincent Wynn and Belle Wiles. Ms. Franklin will recognize Madison Murray. Ms. Packabush would like to recognize Caleb Ramirez and William Pacheco. Ms. Cassiano would like to recognize Ingrid Morales, Carla Yvonne Garcia Aguilar. Ms. Calderon would like to recognize Peyton Christensen and Ofer Perez. Mr. Myers would like to recognize Giselle Meza and Lordy Nintendo. Mr. Juries would like to recognize Yosef Dereji. Coach Kraft would like to recognize Daria Pasala and Jonas Miller. Congratulations to all of our students who received the Online Learning Excellence Award.
We would like to recognize some teachers and staff with You Make a Difference Award. This award is very special because it comes straight from our students. For 5th grade, she is very nice, loving, and is always there for me. This teacher makes me feel calm when I go into the classroom, and we get candy at the end of the day, which makes me happier. She is really nice, and I appreciate her for being here. Mrs. Packabush, you make a difference. Our next one, she is always extremely kind and treats everyone like they're her best friend. There aren't many teachers like her. She always asks how our day is going and how it has been so far. When you need someone to talk to, she's the one. She always makes your day. She always makes my heart smile. She also always makes my day complete. She is the definition of the Wiley Way. Mrs. Stampley, you make a difference.
We'd like to recognize some teachers and staff with the Crystal Apple Awards at this time. Our Crystal Apple Awards are donated by Charles and Pam Rothermill of Horace Mann. We're very appreciative of their continued support for our campus over the years since Draper has been open. At this time, I would like to recognize a teacher who teaches science here on campus and has gone above and beyond in helping out with after-school programs and pulling the yearbook together. So Miss Witt, congratulations on your Crystal Apple. We'd like to recognize another teacher who's part of the ELA team and has gone above and beyond in working with her students online through this transition to online learning. She's always available and ready to help students at any time. Miss Knott, congratulations on your award.
Right now, I just need you to get real loose. Get comfortable. Grab your loved ones, or grab your love partner. And if you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with them. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Gonna throw down, take a sip with it. And lean back, put your hips in it. Let's have some fun. To the left now. To the right. Now take your left hand and put it on your side. Gonna roll your shoulders. Do the slip and slide. This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hip percentage. It's simple, you can do it. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Now cool down, have a good time. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Do the butterfly, have a good time. Round, round, round and round you go. It's time to show out right now and take to the floor. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. Take it down now, take it down now. Take it down now, take it down now. Bring it up now, bring it up now. Bring it up now, bring it up now. Take it down and crisscross. Bring it up now, crisscross. Do whatever you like right here. Just have fun. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip.
This concludes our awards assembly, our Patriot Pride Assembly for this school year. And as we do with each assembly, we'll close out with a school song led by Miss Dennis. Miss Dennis has dedicated 33 years to educating students, and she's retiring this year. And we'd like to thank her for our service here at Draper Intermediate for the last few years, and we certainly wish her well in her retirement. And let's close out this school year with the Draper School Song. Have a great summer, everybody.
Honor to our school and all who gather here. Just and faithful patriots, our pledge throughout the year. Honor to our school, we vow to keep it strong. Loyalty and honesty will be our Draper song. Honor to our school, and bless the time we share. Help for all who pass this way to learn and grow and care. Honor to our school, and when our time is done, Draper patriots will shine steadfast for years to come. Draper patriots will shine steadfast for years to come. Have a great summer, Draper Patriots.